What up, what's going on out there, y'all? It's another Wrangler video. Today we're gonna be changing out my intake, man. Y'all see me the way I finagled this thing before. A couple videos ago, if y'all been keeping up with the Jeep Wrangler videos, this is my the one that came with the Jeep here. I just rattle can this thing black. It was all messed up, trying to clean it up a little bit. I bought a new filter head on it. But this thing's junk, man. I bought me an official one, man. I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing of that real quick. Let y'all see what that thing is. This came from Rough Country Off-Road Performance. Let's go ahead and get into this thing, man. See what we got inside the box. Let me take everything out real quick. I'm gonna take everything out of all the packages so y'all can see them real quick. Alright, y'all, we back. It's a whole different day, man. Some peoples came over, man. We started partying here in my garage. I ended up putting it together, but I wasn't recording. This is pretty much how it looks. I like the way this thing turned out, man. It's got a whole different look to it now. And my Jeep's, give my Jeep's a little bit of horsepower, This thing's still slow, but give her a little bit of horsepower, man. It came with an actual, like a box so you can block the heat off from, but I didn't really want that. It made it look too bulky in here. I figured I just throw the bag on and try to keep it clean a little bit, though, but that's it right here, though. This is the Rough Country Off-Road Performance, as you see right there. Came with a sticker right there that I put on the bike, man. It looks a lot better, yo. Looks a lot better. It's a short video, man. I wish I could have showed me installing this thing, though, but I had people all over here. Everybody was loud. We was jamming, partying. Yeah, it's gonna be it for this video, man. I do thank you for tuning in. This has been another Jeep Wrangler video. Catch y'all on the next one. Yo.